Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to make a really awesome recipe for you that is perfect for when we're trying to slim down in the summer. I'm going to make my awesome, simple cucumber salad that is going to be your go-to for a fun, light lunch, dinner, healthy snack, whatever. You're going to love it. For this cucumber salad, I like to use these little mini seedless cucumbers that you could find in your grocery store. I see them all over the place, and they're perfect because the seeds are already out. They're also the perfect size for this salad, so you could just start chopping them up into nice, as thin as you could get pieces, and that's it. This is about 4 of those small mini cucumbers like I told you about. So if you're using a larger cucumber, you don't need to use as many. But this is what I'm going to work with for the rest of this recipe. After you got them nice and sliced thinly, it's time to move on to our other ingredients. So right now we just have the cucumbers in this bowl, and we're going to add some cracked black pepper and a little bit of sea salt. If you want to kind of do a little bit over the top, then give them a quick little toss, just so that all the cucumbers are getting a little bit of that salt and pepper. That's completely fine. The next thing that we're going to add is some really thinly sliced shallot. Thinly sliced is the name of the game to this recipe. You don't want your cucumber salad to be overwhelmed by your taste of the shallot. So the thinner it is, the more it could mix in with your cucumbers. Just kind of try to distribute it evenly. And then now it's time to make our simple little tiny vinaigrette that we're going to pour over, and then this is done. I told you it was easy. So we're just going to make a really easy and healthy vinaigrette to top our cucumber salad with. I don't want to add any oils because I'm making this salad so that it's something that tastes delicious but also is super really healthy for me for when I'm trying to kind of, thin out for summer. So I have 1/3 of a cup of some red wine vinegar in here, and I'm just going to add about half a lemon. If you're looking for something with a little bit of extra lemon flavor, go ahead and throw the whole lemon in, but I like to do 1/2. And then I have a garlic paste. Now what's nice about the garlic paste is it's pasty, obviously, and it blends into the liquid really well instead of having those larger chunks of a minced garlic. The last thing is just a little bit of dill that we're going to sprinkle in, and then we're going to give it a mix. So dill is a pretty powerful flavor, so it's not something that we want to add a whole lot of. So just sprinkle a little bit in there, mix up that garlic paste, and then we're ready to pour it over our cucumbers. So after you have that nice little kind of vinegar-based vinaigrette, I guess, without any oils, we're going to pour it over our cucumbers and then just kind of give it a nice stir. So I actually like to make this the night before I'm going to eat it because like any other salad, whether you're talking about macaroni salad, pasta salad, potato salad, anything that kind of you're mixing a bunch of things together, it is always better the next day. So if you're planning on having this for lunch or dinner or serving it at a barbecue, just mix it all up in a bowl, put it in a Tupperware, and let it sit in your fridge. That way the cucumbers really absorb that vinegar and the flavors mix together, and it's really freaking fantastic. After that, you have a delicious finished product that is super healthy, super easy, and everyone can enjoy it, honestly. I mean, there's really nothing in here that's too crazy or too terrible. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more fun recipes like this one every single Tuesday. We are on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking. I would love to hear what you're cooking in the kitchen, as well as seeing what you have to say about my recipes. So let's connect there. And other than that, guys, let's slim down for summer, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.